Okay, create new object button. So create new object button. Scroll down and find Microsoft Excel worksheet. Okay, so let's scroll down and find Microsoft Excel worksheet. That's what we wanted. Okay, so create new Microsoft Excel worksheet and say okay. So it will basically insert a Excel worksheet for us. So we want to use 4 rows. So let's kind of adjust this so that we can use only as much as we need. We want, okay, so we need a little more. Okay, there you go. That's all we need. Okay, so click select all button. Okay, first let's enter the data. Okay, so let's enter the data. So figure 3.5 has what we have to enter. Experiences, average revenue, total growth, okay, and let's select all of them and change the font size to 24. So 24. Okay, then click on A1. So let's see, where is our A1? Right there. Okay. Enter the labels and values, which we have. Okay, we already did that. Now click on D2. Where is our D2? Right here. Okay, so let's start using our formula. So we want to find the total. So expenses times the average. Enter. Okay, so let's even make sure all of this is seen. Okay, now let's copy that down. Okay, so we can even double click here to make sure we see everything, and we can adjust it as we need it later. Okay, so we have that. Fill handle, we have done that, and we want to change this into an accounting number format. Okay, so let's come here. So let's go to the number format and change this to accounting number format. Let's click on E1 now, and we will make this a change column. Okay, so change, of course, the first year we will not find any change. From the second year onwards, let's find the change. So D3 minus D1, oh sorry, D2 divided by D3. So let's put this in parentheses because we don't want to screw up our order of operations. Divided by D3 because we are trying to find the change of it. Okay, and let's copy that down. Okay, so if you miss the formulas, you can always go back and check. There's a video recording. So, and then let's change this to a percent style. Percent style. There you go. Okay, and we don't want to see the decimal places, so let's go ahead and get rid of them. Okay, now let's select A1 through E4 and click on Format as Table button. So Format as Table button and select Style 2 in Style 2 Medium. So Style 2 Medium. Okay, right there. And say okay. click the convert to range button and say yes. Yeah, so we did that. Oops. Okay, we did that. Then, okay, so we can just double click this if you want to make any changes basically. So double click the worksheet to show the Excel ribbon. So as you can see, as soon as we double click it, the Excel controls will show up. Click the page layout tab, click the theme button and go to Wisp. Okay, so page layout and theme button, and let's select Wisp as well for this one. Wisp, where is the Wisp? Right there. Okay, so change 9 in cell B3. So where is our B3? B3 to 7. 7 and press enter. Okay, so that's that. Let me take out this extra space and then go from there. Okay, so let me take out this, oops. Okay, let me take out this extra space because we don't need it. There you go. And let's adjust it so that it won't block any of our other things. Okay, and let's save the PowerPoint. Okay, that takes care of page 38. So let's move on to page 40. Okay, let's close this. Okay, now we need to start Access. And open the file we have attached to the assignment. Okay, so that's our Access. Okay, and first let's save this database. Save as, Access database, save as. Okay, so I'll make sure everything is sitting in documents at one place. Conservation experiences. Okay. Save it. Okay, enable content. And we have one table, so let's check what that table had. Okay, we are interested in all these locations. So Thailand, Indonesia, Fiji, Australia, Malaysia, okay, and some of them are repeated. So let's close this. So we want to create a query. We want to create a query to kind of show all the experiences in an alphabetical order. Okay, so create query wizard. Okay, simple is good enough. Say okay. We want to use all of them. So let's use this double arrow, which will select everything. Next. Next. And say finish. We want that's a good enough name. So finish. Okay, so we have experience query. Okay, and let's go to the design view of this. So design view, and we want to sort it with locations. So let's go to locations and say ascending. Okay, so while we will ask for saving, say yes. Okay, we can double click and see now it will be sorted alphabetically. Okay, now let's close the query. Okay, so now let's create a new worksheet. Okay, so Excel. Okay, click on A1. Okay, so we want to paste the query here. Okay, I closed it. Let me open that one more time. Okay, let me double click that. Okay, so I want to copy this. So right click, copy, and let's go to the Excel sheet and paste it. Okay, so let me make sure. Yes, we need to paste it as a link. Okay, so paste it as a link. So we have done that. Okay. Click on F1, and we will calculate total here, total. So C2 times D2, C2 times D2, enter. Okay, C2 times D2, and then just copy it down. Okay, and we want to convert all of the money into the accounting format. So let's do the same for this one. Okay. So if you see hashes, you know that you need to adjust the space. Like if we don't have enough space, you will see those hashes. Okay. So let's make sure you understand that. Okay. Now let's save this file. Save as documents. int 3 underscore conservation locations or initials. Okay, let's save that. Click on C14. So C14 right there. Then enter the labels and formulas as shown in the figure 3-8. Okay, so let's go. So it says Australia. And we will add all the Australia basically. Okay, so equals, where are our Australia? F2 plus F3. So just like that. So add all of the places together. And then Fiji. So Fiji is just one place. So let's just click that one and press enter. And then we have what? Indonesia. Okay, so we have 2 Indonesia. So let's F5 plus F6. Then Malaysia. Okay, we have 3 of them. So let's add all of them plus. Okay, and the last one is Thailand. Okay, so just like that. So we are done with that part. And select C14 to G15, C14 to G15, and click on Insert tab. And we want to do a pie chart for this. Okay, so let's go pie chart for this. Okay, and we will give it a top left. Where is our top left? Top left. Yeah, there you go. We will use a top left style. Okay, let me make sure. Top left. Top left. Okay, without any information, let me make sure we have the right one here. Okay, this looks like the one we have in the figure, so let's go with that. Okay, this is the top left, so we'll go with this. Okay, let's give it a title, Experiences by Location. Experiences by location. Okay, experiences by location. And click on quick layout button, and we will pick layout 6. Layout. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quick layout button. Okay, and 6, 1. Okay, layout 6. Okay. Click on the border of the pie chart, and then, okay, click on the border of the pie chart. Go to Home tab. Click on the copy button. Copy. And we will switch to PowerPoint. Okay, let's open our PowerPoint. Oh, I think I closed it. Let me open the PowerPoint which we have. Okay, PowerPoint, and we'll go to slide 4 and click paste list arrow. So paste list arrow. Okay, and we will use destination theme and link a data button. So make sure they're all linked, guys. Okay, so use destination theme and linked data. So we will use the third pasting option. Okay, let's move all of this down so that it won't block anything basically. Okay. With the chart still selected, click the shape outline arrow. Shape outline arrow. Where is our shape outline arrow? Okay, shape outline arrow in the drawing group, and we will select black. Okay. Let's make sure we'll save the PowerPoint. Excuse me, guys. So that takes care of the page 40. Okay, let's move on to page 41. So we will open the Access back. Open the Experiences query. Change the price of the kangaroo rehabilitation tour into 7,000. So where is our kangaroo? Okay, so that's 4,000, but let's change that to 7,000 and press enter. Now switch to the Excel sheet. Okay, so let's switch to the Excel sheet. Go to the File tab. Okay, so as you can see, it's 4,000 still here. So let's go to the File tab and then Edit Links to Files. Let's click on that. Okay. And then we will update all the values. Okay, so update all the values and say close. Okay, so let's go back and see. It did not update the value. Okay, so let's check it one more time. File, edit, update values, check status. Close. Okay, so definitely it didn't paste well. So we got this from Access database. So let me make sure we got that pasted right. Let me try that one more time. Copy. Excel. Paste link. Okay. Oh, it was not saved. That's why. Okay. So let's 7,000, and we need to close it. And now let's update Hit and try it now because it is linked. File, edit, update values, and close. There you go, 7,000. Okay, and accordingly, everything changed. Now let's switch to PowerPoint. Let's switch to PowerPoint. Then verify that Australian experiences slice to 21. See, it automatically changed. Click the pie chart. Chart tool design. Okay, design. And we will select style 9 here. What is that? 8, 9. Okay, so let's change that to style 9 here. Now let's switch back to Excel. Excel. Copy cell C15. Where is our C15? Right there, C15. Copy, copy it. Now let's go back to PowerPoint. PowerPoint. Click after experiences. Okay, so right here, after experiences is paste link arrow, and then paste special. So let's go to paste special. Paste link option button. So paste link option button. Microsoft Excel object and say OK. Okay, so we got it right here. So that's what we want. Let's make it bigger so that it will match the rest of the text. Now let's switch to Access. Let's go back to the query. Change the cost of each of the 2 Australian experiences to 8,000. So let's go Australia. Okay, let's change both of them to 8,000. Okay. Let's close the database. Switch to Excel. Okay, and let's update the links because see, it still says 7,000 and 4,000. So let's go File, Edit Link Files, Update Values, and say Close. Okay, let's go back. So you guys can see it changed to 8,000. Let's look at the PowerPoint, what happened there. That automatically changed. And 26%. Okay, so in PowerPoint, File tab, Edit Link. Okay, so now, so as you guys can see, we have finished pretty much everything. So before you submit, so let's unlink all of them. So in PowerPoint, click File. So File, Edit Link to File. So Edit Link to File. Okay, and then we will break these links. Okay, so break link. And the second one also, we want to break the link. Okay, let's close this. Go back, save it, and close it. And we'll do the same with the Excel. So let's come to the Excel. Edit link. Let's break link, close. Save it and close this one as well. Okay, and let's close the Access as well. So we have okay, so we have total of 1, 2, 3, 4 files we used and we worked on. So those are the 4 files you need to upload. Okay, so you will go to your assignment, you will browse, and you'll make sure you attach all of them. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then open and submit. Okay, I won't be able to submit it because it will give me an error. Okay, see, it'll give me an error no matter what I say, but that's how you do it. Okay, so that takes care of our integration module 3. So your skills review is your homework, and you'll be working on that, and you will submit again all of the 4 documents which you will be using in there, or I don't know, maybe 4 or 3, whatever you use, but everything you have used, you just submit all of them. Okay. I miss you guys. Okay, I will see you back in class. Bye.